passing. No sign of. Well, back in the late 1800s, early 1900s, there used to be nothing but private homes lining Fifth Avenue here opposite Central Park. And by private homes, what I mean are mansions, actually, because it was only the wealthiest of the wealthy who lived here then. They used to call it Millionaires Row. Today, I guess they call it Billionaires Row, because it really was the wealthiest of the wealthy. Most of the mansions, though, came down at the beginning as the 20th century progressed, being replaced by these apartment houses you now see lining the avenue. The few mansions that do remain, most have been converted into either museums or cultural centers. So I'll point out a few of them to you as we go down the avenue. This neighborhood we're passing through is the Upper East Side. And this portion of the Upper East Side is called Carnegie Hill. On the next block ahead, we're going to be passing the Jewish Museum. Now, the Jewish Museum is in the former Felix Warburg Mansion. This mansion was lived in by a single family until 1944, when it was donated to the Jewish Theological Seminary. This was once a single family home.